Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll solve part B of the 2021 Fermat contest organized by the University of Waterloo. So let's begin. Question 11. In the sum shown, P, Q and R represent three different single digits. The value of P plus Q plus R is what? So let's try and solve this here. So we know that R plus R has to end in 0. So it could be 5 because 5 plus 5 is 10. Let me write here P7R, P7R, and 39R. 39R gives you RQ0. So as I was saying that R can be 5 because 5 plus 5 is 10, or R could be 0 because 0 plus 0 is 0. So these are the only two cases in which I'll get a 0 when I add them. But it can't be 0 because I have an R here. So that means it has to be 5. So R is 5. So I have a carry 1 here. So 9 plus 7, 16 plus 1, 17. So Q is 7 and a carry 1 here. So P plus 4 has to be 5 because R is 5. So P is 1. So what is P plus Q plus R? 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13. Option A. Okay, how many of the 20 perfect squares, 1 square, 2 square, up to 20 square are divisible by 9? So we have 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, up to 20 squared. So to be divisible by 9, you can see that the first one would be 3 square, which itself is 9. Then you have 6 square, which is 36. Then you have 9 square, which is 81. 12 square, which is 144. 15 square, which is 225. And 18 squared, right? Whatever that may be, it's 4 into 9 square. So the only numbers that are divisible by 9 are these 6 numbers. So 6. Okay, in the diagram, each of triangle WXZ and XYZ is an isosceles right triangle. The length of WX is 6 root 2. Okay, so this is 6 root 2. The perimeter of this quadrilateral is what? So if this is isosceles right triangle, this and this has to be 6. And so this has to be 6 by root 2 and this has to be 6 by root 2 because this is also isosceles right triangle. So what is the total perimeter of the quadrilateral? 6 plus 6 root 2 plus 6 by root 2 plus 6 by root 2. So 6 plus 6 root 2 plus 6 by root 2 plus 6 by root 2. So that is 6 plus 6 root 2. Now 6 by root 2 plus 6 by root 2 will be 6 times 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, which is 2 by root 2, which is root 2. So this is 6 root 2. So 6 plus 12 root 2, right? So we can just plug this in the calculator to find the answer. So 12 root 2, 12 into root 2, that plus 6. So 23, about 23, option C. Okay, Natasha cycles 3 times as fast as she runs. And she spends 4 hours cycling and 1 hour running. The ratio of the distance that she cycles to the distance that she runs is what? Okay, so speed of cycling is 3 times speed of running. And she spends 4 hours cycling and 1 hour running. So time of cycling is 4 hours time of running. So ratio of distance of cycling to distance of running is SC multiplied by TC divided by SR multiplied by TR, which is 3 SR times 4 TR divided by SR times TR. So 12 to 1. Option A. Okay, let A and B be positive integers for which 45A plus B is 2021, the minimum possible value of A plus B. Okay, so 45A plus B is 2021, right? Let's say I take A as 1, then B will be 2021 minus 45. So that's 6, 7, 19, right? 1976. So A plus B here would be 1977. Now I need to find the minimum possible value. So let's say I take A as 2, right? Then B will be 2021 minus 90. So 1931. So A plus B is 1933. So I've come down considerably. So my goal should be to make A as large as possible, right? So let's see, if I divide 2021 by 45, what do I get? 45 into 290, 4, 180. Yeah, so 45 into 4, right? 180. So this becomes 2 and 2, 2, 2, 1, right? And 45, yeah, so again 4, because I get 181, yeah. So 44 into 45, so my A should be 44, right? A should be 44. So what is 44 into 45? 180, 0, carry 18, 1980. So I reach 1980. So what is B? 2021 minus 1980. So that's 41, right? So A is 44 and B is 41. So the minimum possible value is 85. Option C. Okay. If n is a positive integer, the notation factorial n is used to represent the product of the integers from 1 to n. If a and b are positive integers with b greater than a, the ones unit of factorial b minus factorial a cannot be. Okay, so this I think we can do by trial and error. So factorial 1 is 1, factorial 2 is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 is possible. Okay, so option A is out. Factorial 3 is 6. 6 minus 1, 5 is possible. So C is out. Okay, they're all odd numbers. Factorial 4 is 24. So 24 minus 1, 23. So 3 is possible. So B is out. And factorial 5 is 120. So 9 is possible. So E is also out. So D is the answer that remains. D is not possible. The set S consists of 9 distinct positive integers. The average of the two smallest integers is 5. Average of the two largest integers is 22. What is the greatest possible value? Average of all the integers. Okay, so 9 integers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the smallest is averages, so let's say 4 and 6. And for the largest two, the average is 22. So let's say 21 and 23, right? Now I need to make the greatest possible values of the remaining. Okay, so then I should start with 20, 19, 18, 17, and 16, right? Because that will make the sum greatest. I've taken all the large numbers, given that I need to be less than 21, correct? So what is the greatest possible average? So then let's just add this. 6 and 4, 10, 16 and 10, 26, 36 and 7, 43, 53 and 8, 61, and 9, 70 and 10, 80, 100, 120, 140, 144. 144 divided by 9, which is 60. So B. Okay. In the diagram, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle with PQ equal to PR. Okay. Semicircles with these diameters are drawn. The sum of the areas of the three semicircles is 5 times the area of the semicircle with diameter QR. What is the value of angle, cos angle PQR? Okay. So let's draw this. This is an isosceles triangle. This is a semicircle. This is a semicircle. And this is a semicircle. So let's say this is X and this is X and this is Y. So the sum of the area, so that would be pi X by 2 whole squared by 2 plus pi X by 2 whole squared by 2 plus pi Y by 2 whole squared by 2. That sum is 5 times pi Y by 2 whole squared by 2, right? Yeah. So all the 2's can go. Okay. So pi, okay, 2 pi X by 2 whole squared is 4 pi Y by 2 whole squared. So 2 cancels into 2, pi cancels. So x square is 2y square. So x is y root 2. Okay, so this side, so this was PQR. So x is y root 2. Okay, now cos angle PQR. Okay, so let this be theta. So cos theta by cosine rule is x square plus y square minus x square plus y square minus x square over 2xy. So that would be y square over 2xy. So that's y over 2x. When x is y root 2, so that would be y over 2y root 2. So 1 by 2 root 2, which is 1 by root 8. So option B. Okay. The real numbers x, y, and z satisfy these three equations. X plus y is 7. X into z is minus 180. And x plus y plus z whole squared is 4. If s is the sum of the two possible values of y, then what is minus s? Okay, so x plus y is 7. So I can say 7 plus z whole square is 4. So 7 plus z is plus minus 2. So z is minus 7 plus minus 2. So minus 5 or minus 9. Okay, then xz is minus 180. So x can be 36 or 20. And x plus y is 7. X plus y is 7. So y is 7 minus 36 or 7 minus 20. So that's minus 29 or minus 13. So the sum of two possible values of y is minus 42. So minus s is plus 42. E. Okay. Next question. In the diagram, PR, okay, I'll just keep it a little here. Yeah. PRTY and WRSU are squares. Point Q is on PR and point X is on TY. So is that PQXY is a rectangle. Also, these are points. If the area of rectangle PQXY is 30, what is the length of ST? Okay. So I think I can work here. No, I think I'll make it here. So let me draw this. This is one square. Yeah, okay. And the other square looks like this. First, let me draw that. Like this. And yeah, so the other square looks like this. Wait, it goes till, oh, it's sorry, it goes till here. So, okay. Yeah, I think I should be good. So, like this, and this comes like this. Okay. And this goes like this. Okay, that is how it looks. PQRS, PQRS, TUXY, TUXY, VW. Okay, VW. Okay, and this has an area 30, right? And we have to find this. Okay. So I think we'll need to use similarities. So if this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. So this is also theta. Okay. If this is theta, this is 90. This is also theta. Okay, so let this be L and let this be K. So K times L is 30. And this would be L minus K. Okay. And let this be M. This is also M. Okay, then. Okay, so this so we can see that triangle WRQ is similar to WRQ, similar to TRS, right? Because angle W and angle T are 90 minus theta, angle R and angle R are theta each, and angle Q and angle S are 90 degrees. Yeah. Okay, this and this are 90. So if I say M divided by L minus K is, this is also L, right? L divided by M, right? Yeah, because 90 minus, yeah, okay. So M square is L square minus KL, right? M square is, yeah, and KL is 30, so that's L square minus 30. But we can see in this triangle that L square is M square plus X square by Pythagoras theorem. So X square is 30. So ST, which is X, will be root 30. Root 30 is closest to what? Let's see. Root 30 is, yeah, 5.5, option C. Okay, so that was part B. Let's grade this. Fermat Test 2021, part B from 11. AECA 15. CEMC DB, CDB 18, BEC. BEC. Okay, great. We got all correct. Hope this exercise helped. If it did, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if I should make more videos on the Fermat tests. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.